restoring a classic car is not cheap. But how much have I actually spent on my 1973 VW Beetle? And what will this build cost in total? Well, let's break it down. For starters, I bought the C's Beetle for 27,500 Rand. On day one, having to tow it over here an extra 1,500, a total of 29,000 Rand before we even got going. Now this body needs serious work, from the rust to repairing it to painting it, and you will not believe how much that is going to set me back. 50,000 Rand. I then decided I wanted to dechrome the car. So for the wrap, materials, tools, heat gun, it was 2,035 Rand and 47 cents. But that's just the outside. Wait until you see the disgusting interior and how much it's gonna set me back. Now, the interior has already been sent off and is being redone as we speak. That set me back 9,000 Rand. Not without hiccups, as you would have seen in the previous video, with issues with the bases of the seats. I had to find two brand new front seats, locate them and transport them for another 1,550, a total of 10,550. And of course, I've got to fit it with a banging sound system. That's gonna set me back at least 10,000 Rand. Moving on to the heart of this beast, the engine. Hoping that it actually runs and works, it's gonna set me back 15,000 Rand. Now, I wish we could end this video there, but there are so many additional things like the tires, mags that need to be done, these trim pieces that are broken and need to be replaced, rubber seals, to you name it, and that's going to be an extra 25,000 Rand. Bringing our insane total to restore and get this Beetle to the way I wanted to 141,585 Rand and 47 cents. Now, this build has been incredible so far, and it's been an amazing journey, but there's so much left to do, and I need your help by liking this video, by hitting that subscribe button. Let's get this Beetle back on the road and make the coolest bug in the world.